we were expecting the market to stay fairly flat towards the start of the year, really to consolidate and just hang around until most of the big financials came back to work. However, as you can see by the run-up tonight, we actually had a 9-point run-up after a fantastic signal confirmed and actually bounced off some resistance. And as a result, there was some really good profit for the taking, some great return on investment. What I'd like to do is run through the sell signal, then run through the buy signal, and tell you how we took advantage, or in fact how I took advantage of that run up. Now, right to the left of the screen at the start of the session, we actually had a sell signal confirmed right on the buzzer, literally right on the buzzer. Either way, sell signal did come in right as the market opened. Quite happy with that. Not happy 2 minutes before, but certainly happy on the buzzer. Either way, we did take 1.25 points worth of heat, as you can see here, before the sell signal did run down quite nicely. Now, it was reinforced just here by some good divergence from our top momentum indicator, which made, I was quite happy when I saw that come in, because I knew that we were likely to run this down to profit if in fact the momentum was stair-stepping in our favor. Either way, I was only after 3 points on that one. Reason I wasn't going for more than that is we were actually trading against the major market bias, which at this point in time was for a buy bias, so literally a supporting buy signals. We went out of the market long before we got what I would consider to be an absolute textbook signal to go back the other way. Again, it was in favor of the bias, and as a result we then used a dual profit target of 3 and 4.5, noting that with the target sitting here at 4.5, if the buyers are running into the market, you actually have the ability, like I did, to take that target to up around 6 points. Didn't go any higher on that buy signal. Reason being is that we were staring in the face of what we refer to as a first against sell signal. Now, as much as that sell signal did confirm, I don't normally take action on the first against. I do wait for the second against the trend. As it turns out, guys, the second against did confirm up here. I was quite happy, mind you, to take 6 points out of that buy signal on my remaining contracts. Ultimately, not a bad second trading day for the year. I will note that there is for advanced traders, there is a re-entry, literally a re-entry or a continuation just here on the chart, and also a second one just here. Now they both paid, in fact the target that we use on continuations is 2 points. Now both of those did pay. However, for the purpose of the stats for this trading day, I'm not going to include them because I haven't actually marked them on the chart. So ultimately we had a 3-point sell signal followed by a 6-point buy signal. So 9 points at 5% per point is a 45% return. To bring that into context, if you're trading one contract worth $1,000 US, 450 US was up for grabs quite, I could say quite simply. Tonight, if you're trading 10 contracts, 10 times that, simply 4,500 US was up for grabs. Noting, guys, both of those signals did go well beyond the profit targets, so there was the potential for quite a bigger return on investment. But all in all, happy with the 45%, quite stoked. Alright guys, that's enough from me. If you want to know more from the people that taught me how to trade, then please simply go to www.tradeforyourfuture.com.au and register for one of the online webinars. They're free, and it'll give you an idea about how fantastic index trading really can be. Have a great day, guys, and I'll keep you up to date on a daily and a weekly basis as to how the trading is going. See you later.